Oh, we have had the best time with Elle in the studio today. She is very curious. Joe's fixing her shoe. In case you guys are wondering what she's doing.
Oh, yep. She has had a good time today.
Well, I'm so happy that she made her TV debut with me here in the kitchen. The boys did as well. And boy, that was 2 times the fun when the twins were here.
Actually, I need to bring them back. I don't know that they were quite as mobile as she is when they were here last.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think we held them most of the time last time.
Gosh, it's hard to believe. It has been so fun for me, you know, just spending so much of my time here for the past however many years it's been, and it was not funny, but on Monday when you made the announcement that you were leaving Fox 10, everybody was like texting and calling me like, did you know? Because everybody knows how close we are.
Yeah. Don't make me cry.
I know.
Here we go.
So
I've already cried every single day.
I know. So I'm totally, you know, thrilled for you, but unhappy that you won't
I'm just
be
not going to
here.
look at your face. I'm not going to look at it right now.
I love you. So today I wanted to make something sweet for you because, of course, everybody knows that Chastity loves sweets, and everybody knows that Joe likes to eat in general. So we used our fresh blackberries. And we made our preserves with our sugar and our lemon juice and our cinnamon, and then we made our shortbread crust, which was our butter and our sugar and our flour and just a little bit of salt. So we put this in the oven and baked it for about 20 minutes, just until it starts to brown like that. And now I'm going to pour on the blackberries, and you could use you know, blueberries with this or strawberries. But it is so pretty, and I love blackberries. So now we're just going to pop this back in the oven for about 20 more minutes until this sets, and then once it comes out of the oven, it's got to completely cool before you can slice it. So just let it kind of cool on the counter, and then if you pop it in the fridge, then they'll cut in really nice squares. So it's just a really simple dessert, and coming into football season too, you know, everybody's going to be tailgating.
I'm going to miss your dips.
I know.
You're going to be coming on talking about football season, making dips.
That's all right.
Man.
You can continue to get, now that you're going to be in Bay Minette, your house there, it's going to be finished in no time, and then you can just order your groceries online, swing by Bay Minette store, pick them up, so it'll be good.
They're used to me in that store. I come in, and I'm usually in kind of my workout gear with my ball cap on, pulled up with my hair pulled up, and so they usually can spot me pretty good. They're like, we see you.
Yeah, we see you. It's not a big disguise. Here comes your buddy.
Hey, baby.
Hey, give Chastity a high five. Give her a high five.
Oh, gosh, you're so cute.
High five. High fives for Studio 10 and Joe and Chastity.
Yeah.
End of a small era.
Oh, gosh, here we go.
I know.
They're going to end the cooking segment so I don't start crying.
All right, so...
so we're just going to pop that back in the oven, and then it'll be easy to...
My mic's on now.
Your mic's on now.
Yeah.
Then it'll be easy to slice. We're going to head to the green screen next, so Chastity can give a little lesson.
This is the weather clicker, so you're gonna hit the weather buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We'll be back in just a little while. Baby Elle here on Studio 10. Say bye-bye, Chastity.
Bye-bye.